Hello, my name is Sarah. I am a student in my last year at school. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I take a shower and get dressed. Then, I have breakfast at 7:30. I eat a piece of toast and drink a glass of orange juice. After breakfast, I go to school. I stay at school for 6 hours, from 8 to 2. Then, I come home and have lunch. I usually have a sandwich and an apple. After lunch, I do my homework. On Wednesdays, I have a piano lesson at home. In the evening, I watch TV or play video games online. My mom cooks dinner. We often eat pasta or rice with vegetables. I go to bed at around 10 p.m. during the week and at 11 or midnight on the weekend.